Ndewo. Hi, I'm Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now, helping you remove the struggle from learning Igbo. Today we're going to learn about a bird making noise. And the three major words we're going to learn today are Nnunu, bird. Na-eme is making. Mkpotu, noise. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Nnụnụ a na-eme mkpọtụ. Nnụnụ a na-eme mkpọtụ? Ee. Ewi a na-eme mkpọtụ? Mba. Onye na-eme mkpọtụ? Nnụnụ a na-eme mkpọtụ. Now it's your turn. That's it for today. So the words we've learned today are Nnunu, bird. Na-eme is making. Mkpotu, noise. That's it for today. Like this video if you like it, and if you haven't yet done so, subscribe to our channel Learn Igbo Now, and let me know what you think about this lesson, and also what kind of topics you would like me to create lessons about in the comment section below. See you later.